Welcome back to AWS DevOps Lokesh Tech YouTube channel. So last class we have seen how to create the pod and namespace. So now we are going to see multi-container and single container pod. So let's get into topic. Let me share my screen. Okay. Yeah. So kubectl also will be there. I just however we are discussing. So we have seen this. So what is difference between kubectl and kubectl? That is a difference. It's like a small dog, it's a big one. Wolf, big muzzled one, right? So generally
Yes,
kubectl will use basically. Okay. So we'll see. Now we are going to discuss about Kubernetes single container pod. So which means if you are creating a pod in uh, one line, so that is called as imperative way. As I already shown last class. Okay, if you use if you create a if you create a pod by using YAML, okay, by using YAML in this way, which means declarative way. This is declarative method. It is imperative method. You understood? So
yes, sir.
so yeah, single container in the sense in the pod we will mention only one container. See here, here you have mentioned container 1 and container 2. Two containers you have mentioned. But here, if you see single containers, you'll have only one container. Here, two containers is there. Two containers are there in this. But if you mention only one container, I think I have mentioned here only one container. Right? Right. This is single container.
Yes, sir.
So last class we have seen single container pod we have seen, we have executed also, right? So now we'll see multi-container as also. So kubectl, what happened? It happens. Right? Kubectl get nodes. Yeah, it's working. Right? So kubectl get pods. Right? So one pod is there in my namespace, current namespace. Right? So this is single container. Right? So we'll create another pod by using multi-container. Okay, so we'll also take help from ChatGPT even, because that will be give advanced and updated ones. So this is one, right? API version 1, kind pod, metadata, multi-container pod, spec, containers under specifications. What we are mentioning, containers.
Container.
Inside container name we are giving, and the image also we are giving. Okay, port, container port is 80, and this is the other one is container 2. This is container 1,
Yes, sir.
this is container 2. That's why these two are same level, right? And
Yes, sir.
other container image is busybox. Okay,
Busy box.
something, what is this command? sh, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, let me try to copy this, and also I'll try to use, what is that, cube ctl. Now I'll use apply hyphen f, multi container pod, okay, dot yml, enter.
Yes, sir.
Cube ctl hyphen, okay,
We have to create no, sir. BI.
sorry, create hyphen f multi container pod, sorry, bah, we have not created, but still let's see how, right, okay. So this is what I directly copied, not a big deal. So indentation, everything will be fine. Save. I'll use only apply. Let's see how whether it will create or not. See, multi-container pod
Yes,
got
sir.
created.
Created.
Yeah. So now let's say kubectl get pods, whether it is working or not. Let's see. Multi-container pod. 10 seconds ago. Kubectl get pods. Nothing is get ready. Kubectl describe, excuse me, kubectl describe. Oh shit. Kubectl describe and right. Command is correct. Yeah, this is the wrong. Yeah, fine.
YM.
Multi container pod dot yml. I think we have to mention. Describe spelling. Tell me. DESC
Correct, sir.
space.
DSCRIB.
Yeah. Multi container hyphen pod hyphen dot yml. Let's see this. It is also not working. Let me log in again for this. I don't want to waste my time. So I'll use ChatGPT here. Yeah, this is what we have missed. See this, right? So now we'll
Yes.
get, see this. Let's see what are the, yeah, see this name multi-container pod we have given. Namespace, what is the
Yes, sir.
namespace? Location NS, namespace
Location
1.
S.
Yeah, and node. This is a node. Okay, node IPs.
Yes,
These are
sir.
all node IPs. Okay, start time so and so. Labels not given, annotations not given, status pending, why pending, not
Image.
sure. See this? And port we have given
Yes,
80,
sir.
right?
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Ready? False. It's not working. Okay. So next, image busy box we have mentioned, right? Image,
Yes, sir.
right? Which one? Second container image. This is correct.
Second container. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like that we can able to inspect entire things. So all the details we'll get. And also you don't want to describe like this, you can simply use kubectl get pod, what is the pod name, multi container so and so, Okay, hyphen o double id wide. Kubectl get pod. mm, Kubectl get pod multi container hyphen o wide. One second.
Sir, container full.
Hmm? Correct, I have given kubectl get pod something, right? This is correct. Multi container pod kubectl get correct, what correct we have given.
Sir, pod name only contain multi-con or multi-container, sir. You have given.
One
I
second, I'll
think
check that.
container CONTI.
Kubectl get pods, right? See this container. Okay,
Sir, container.
yeah, yeah. Kubectl get pod multi container. Oh, that is the issue. See, I have used
Yes, sir.
multi con. Okay, container hyphen pod. Right. Okay. So this is pod name, right?
Yes, sir.
Pod hyphen o. Sorry, wide. Yeah. See this. So no, if you don't want to go describe
Yes, sir.
everything, so you if you want to see, you can see name, container name, ready, the status, whether it is ready or not. No, not ready. Something happened. That's fine. Doesn't matter for me right now. So now status container creating. Okay, not yet created. So restart 0. Age 6 minutes. IP address no. Right, node ip, this is node already we have created long back. So this ip address will be same, it will be constant, node ip will be same until unless I stop and terminate this. Okay, so nominated node and readiness gates something, so these details are all getting right. So this is about O
Yes, sir.
wide. So O wide means it will wide the entire your details. So unless just you only need these kind of details, you can use this hyphen O wide. Okay. Let me try to use other pod. What is web app?
One.
Let pod web pod web app one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See this? All details got 4 hours ago. Right. Something like this. Right. We can use the command like
Yes,
this.
sir.
Right. And next, so this I did not added in this. So next, this I have explained last yesterday, right? This all these things, so related to pod,
Yes, sir.
right?
Pods. Yes, sir.
Correct. So create the pods you have seen. So delete the pod, simply you need to mention delete. The same create in place of create, you can keep delete. I want to delete my pod. See this, kubectl delete. Okay, what is a multi container or what multi container hyphen pod, you understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kubectl pod, see kubectl delete hyphen f. Okay, hyphen f. Okay, this is file name. Okay, So what is a file name? So I have to use file name then, not pod name.
multi.yml.
Yeah, container, multi-container, right? So this is right. So
Yeah,
pod,
this one, sir.
yeah, it is deleted, correct?
Yes, sir.
So we have to use file
Yes,
name
sir.
here, not pod. Okay, pod got also deleted. File
Yes, sir.
also will be deleted, right? So that's about deletion. And so so if you can see here, what is the API version? This defines Kubernetes API version that we want to use YAML file. You can read more. So see, nothing else. I have whatever explained. API version. This is related to version and metadata. This is the data that helps you to uniquely identify that object we want to create. Here you can provide names, name or app, something. Okay, names, labels. All
Yes,
together we have to mention details about the application and spec in the sense specifications. This defines that state that we want to that we want our object or the format that we use specific. So nothing else. This is clumsy, useless information. This is we have provided information about the containers that we want to host our pod. No need. Complete specifications related to containers, related to images, container ports. We will mention all those things in specifications. Okay, spec in the sense. So nothing is there. This is
yes, sir.
useless definition. Okay, so that's it. And so we have seen deleted also kubectl delete pod. We have seen that also, right? So next, creating multiple containers, one we have created. And yeah, so shall we try this? So we don't have any name in this. Okay. mm, okay, so this IPA version 1 pod we are creating. Metadata we have to give our customized name and specifications what we have to give. Containers, container name, image. Okay, whatever image we want to give we can keep. And ports, container port and image pull policy, always say that's okay. That is related to policies. And name. Okay, so these things. Okay, so different models of pod in Kubernetes. So nothing, that's fine. Difference between pods and nodes, this you know, right? What is the difference between pods and nodes?
Yes, sir.
Right, yeah. So node is the place where you keep the pods. Okay. Pod is the place where you keep the containers. Understood? That is a simple definition to understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, so pods example. Another pod is there something. Okay. So shall we take this example as example? Let me take this. So what is the web app 2? I'll keep web app 2, or else I'll take other one. So see this, I long ago I have practiced like this and I kept a notebook like this. You have to do like this also. You understood? You have to maintain notebook, physical notebook, and also this. You understood? Two
Yes,
and a half years
yes, sir.
ago. So now it is useful for me. Okay, this we have seen already. Okay, kubectl describes. So yeah, this we'll see one by one. Okay, let's go. Web app 1 we have, right? We have deleted multi-container. Let's delete this also, web app 1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Web app 1 also will delete. So no file, right? What is the file name then? Let's check. ls delete hyphen f. What is that? Web app pod 2.
My back pod one and
Pod
yes,
1 is there, pod 2 is there. Okay, okay. Pod 2 also is there, right? So delete this.
yes, sir.
Okay, let's delete one by one. It's pod one hyphen f kubectl did delete pod hyphen. What happened? Why error?
Converting something YML to JSON showing, sir.
Mm-hmm. Mapping
That one
values.
was error, sir. It didn't run.
Mm-hmm.
Web app one using that we did not run, sir. It was a fault file.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
Like pod is not created. I think web app pod two, sir.
Okay, so I need to delete, right? Whatever, whether it is not, maybe if it is faulty, we have to delete, right?
Yes, sir. But it's I think that's in file format, sir. Like we can use RM directly RM
Ah,
remove
okay,
file
okay, okay,
like
okay. You understood. One second, let me check again. Kubectl
yes, sir.
get to pods. One pod, web app one is there actually. I'll check the files. Okay,
That's terminating.
okay. So it is not created. Okay, that's when I'll delete then. RM hyphen RF. So I'll delete. So I delete all those, or else I'll delete only web. This. Arre, what happened? Yeah, right. So now we'll create now VI. What is it? Web app one, right? Web app
Yes, sir.
one hyphen pod one. I'll keep like this dot YML. Now I'll take this, copy, and insert. Insert. Right. Okay. It's not copied again. I need to copy. Insert mode. Yes. Okay. Now let me check once. API version 1. You see this? Can you see? API version 1, kind pod, metadata. In metadata, what
Yes,
we are
sir.
mentioning? Namespace. What is a namespace?
Namespaces.
No namespace. This is not, we are not
Okay.
having, it
We
is
have
not
to.
available. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is not available in the sense we have to change this. Okay. So what are the namespaces we have? Yes, right. First, currently we are in Lokesh.
Yes, she is there, sir. Location. Yes.
Lokesh NS.
Location is one.
Okay, namespace one. And
One.
other one is web app one. That's it. Name. So we are giving web app one. It is a, what is the
Yes, sir.
name for this? This is for pod, right? Pod name and
Yes, sir.
labels.
Pod name.
Yeah, labels. Web app one also we are giving. Okay. Or else we, if you want to give that name particularly,
Yes, sir.
hyphen label, you can give like this because both are same, right? I mean,
Yes, sir.
uh, namespace, I mean, metadata, pod
Both
name.
names
Yeah, pod name
and label
and
both are
label
same, sir.
both are same, right? That's why I'm changing. Just label, I'm keeping it as a label. Okay. In spec what we are mentioning, containers. Okay. Container, only this
Containers.
is
Yes, sir.
single container. Okay. So name web app one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we'll do one thing. This is container port 8080. I'll also take other container. Okay, shall we take, or we'll do it later? Hmm?
We will take, sir.
Yeah, we'll try. Yes, I need to copy it, right?
Yes, sir.
And here, if you see
Yes, sir.
container port, I feel this is not good. Okay, what is container port? Container port, how does it is equal to spec? It does not affect equal to spec. Definitely it is wrong for sure. So maybe
Yes, sir.
this container is belonging to this container, right? So it should be equal to this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that what I have to keep. So same here. The container, other container name is web app 2. I'll keep. Okay, I don't have permission
Yes,
for
sir.
this image. So image I will change other one. So I will take other image. So image should be run properly. Otherwise I can't do anything, because the same whatever the pods crashed last time, the same pods will crash. You understood? So that's why you have to go GitHub.
Yes, sir.
Where is GitHub? Mm, GitHub. Mm, okay, Docker Hub we need, right?
Yes, sir. Docker.
So then, yeah, I need to log in this. I'll take official images. Okay, no problem. So let me log in.
Yes, sir.
Lokesh01 of gmail.com. Okay, enter. And here mymothr 145. No problem. That's not a big deal. Okay, yeah, save. I'll save this because we frequently use this. So right, I'll take what always. Okay, I'll take Ubuntu image, one Ubuntu image, official one. Okay, one Nginx
Yes, sir.
image. I'll take two. Okay, I'll take this image, Ubuntu, and where is that? Here, right? So web app one, I'll take
Yes, sir.
this one, and the other one is Nginx. I'll take. Okay, so this is Nginx. Okay, I'll take Nginx. It's the first one which I get. I'll take that only. All right, so this is Nginx image.
Yes, sir.
Copy and paste. That's it, right? So the port number you have to change.
Yes, sir.
8081 I'll keep. Okay, so again I need to check, cross check. So name fine, container
Sir,
port. Yeah, please tell me. Tell me.
container one and container two indentation are different, sir. Like container two is inside the container one
So
indentation.
this is also wrong. Okay, port should be, it's related to containers port. Yeah, what did you say?
The container, second container, sir,
Hmm.
it's inside, it's not under container,
Yeah, it is
under
under port, right?
specification, sir.
Under port,
Yeah,
correct? Yeah, let me do this. So yeah, let's try, guys.
and
We
the
have to
container
do
two
mistake.
also, sir.
Huh? What is?
Container, second container, sir.
Uh,
Like after container port 8080, the
hmm.
container, second container is starting after first, above, sir, above,
One second.
above, sir, on that line.
Okay, okay. You are saying this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right? Correct.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Good
Yes, sir.
catch. Yeah, let me check the indentation. Yeah, it should be in same level. Okay, So now see this, it should be in same level. Yeah. So we have to do
Yes, sir.
more mistakes. We will learn from the mistakes itself. Mistake is really
Yeah,
good
yeah.
thing. Always. I will do mistakes always. Okay. I'll try to, what is the file name? Web app 1, pod 1. Okay. kubectl
Yes, sir.
create pod hyphen f. This one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think, so why kubectl create pod. Okay. What is this unexpected args? Let me open again. What is unexpected arg? Mm, I will go. I'll copy this first. Okay. So let me already copied, right? Then next I'll go to, okay. Okay. So I'm taking help from here. So it will show where we have done mistakes. Right. So what is the mistake we have done, that we have to know, right? There should be only containers field, and it should be a list containing both containers. Each container must have unit names. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Like we have mentioned containers two times, no? So it's
Hmm.
telling.
Yeah, yeah, correct. So now I'll try to open this. So here you can see. Uh, so I will. Okay, I'll use this. No lines in buffer. Okay. So see here.
Yes,
So
sir.
one container you have to mention. Under this you can keep any containers, different containers. So containers you mentioned, name container
Yes,
1
sir.
name, container 2 name, container 1 image, container 2 image. That means we have learned that we should not keep containers two times. Understood? That's it. Great.
Yes,
This is
sir.
good job. Okay, let me try to use the, see this? Yeah, again some issue. kubectl create hyphen h. Okay, I'll try to use kubectl create pod. Um,
I think we should not use the pod, sir.
yeah, let me try to.
Before we have used.
Yeah, it's created kubectl get pods, right? We should not use pods, right? So it's creating,
Yes, sir.
it's continuously creating. Not sure because ports we are not opened, so we have taken dummies,
Yes, sir.
so that's why it's not working. All right. So this is about multi-container. Okay. So
Yes.
let's see. I would like to check this kubectl get pods hyphen n. Okay, I will use hyphen n for numbering. Okay, let's see. Kubectl get, what is this, pod hyphen n ns, means in this namespace I want to see how many pods are there. Is this correct namespace name?
Yes, sir.
See this. So Yesh, I want to see Yesh. Tell me what is that Yesh?
Hyphen pod one.
So see
Next
this,
is
no
ns
resources
two.
found. This is correct name only. No resources. We did not
Yes, sir.
create
Okay,
any.
okay.
Yeah. Kubectl get name spaces. See this? How many namespaces we have? ns2. Okay, ns1. Okay, let me try to use this, recorrect this. See? In no in this
Yes, sir.
namespaces, no resource. Right. So this is how we need to check. For example, currently I am in location environment. In this environment, so how many pods if you want to check, you can check like this. Okay. So then next kubectl get pods.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some this is already we have seen. Okay. This events we'll see. Kubectl events hyphen n. What is this? Location ns1. See this? So how many successfully done? One, two. How many failed? Two failed. See this? So whatever failed, why failed, we can see entire data here. See this? Can you see here clearly? Multi-container pod got created.
Yes, sir.
This is fine. But this got failed and it is also failed. Okay. And this normal. It is also fine. Right? So next. And describe we have seen, right? Along with
Yes,
the
sir. Yes, sir.
namespace we have not shown, but we have to use this. See, okay, kubectl describe pod. Okay, what is the pod? Do we have this pod, right? Location ns1. See this related this pod details we got, so we can use this also. Only by using kubectl
Yes, sir.
describe only pod name also you can give, and pod name along with the namespace also you can give, because if you have multiple namespaces you have to mention like this. Understood? So this is the way you can able to see, right? And so that's it for single container pod and multi container pod. Next class we'll see about, so this replication controller and replication set, we'll see about this. All right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
Ashwant,
sir.
do practice. We are moving forward very fastly. So if you don't do practice, definitely you will be
Yes, sir.
very lag. So you have to follow me. Every day class you have to do practice for sure. Okay. And you have to maintain physical notebook
Yes,
as
sir.
well. Right. That's it. Thank you so much
Yes,
for
sir.
joining. We'll see you in next class. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you, sir.